In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to succeed on your memo assignment in 5 easy steps. With Lexis Advance, you can easily find comprehensive research results and quickly identify the strongest authority for your memo. You just received your first open memo assignment in law school. Your hypo tells you that your supervising attorney met with a potential client who has designed a costume which has become a national sensation this year for Halloween. He has come to your firm to see if he can copyright the costume. Your supervising attorney has asked you to research whether or not a copyright can be obtained for costumes in any federal jurisdiction. Searching a new topic in Lexis Advance is easy. Simply identify your key terms and type them in the red search box. Then narrow your results, just like searching on Amazon. For step 1, begin by entering the terms copyright and costume in the red search box. As you begin typing, the search box suggests terms and relevant legal phrases to help you refine your search. It also suggests key sources. You can use those as guidance or run your search as originally intended. This search has retrieved a wide range of results that you can now filter. Now on to step 2, starting your research with secondary sources, specifically treatises. The best place to start when you are researching an unfamiliar area of law is to start in secondary materials with a treatise. Treatises make it easy and efficient to find answers on unfamiliar topics by providing clear and thorough explanations of legal issues and highlighting key cases and statutes, including hyperlinked citations. Treatises are like Wikipedia pages with citations you can actually rely on. Only Lexis offers hundreds of the best legal treatises in every jurisdiction and on countless topics, including those most cited to by the courts. To get started, select Secondary Materials. Then filter by category and select Treatises. Keep in mind that there are many different ways to further narrow your search results from here, including the Search Within Results feature. This allows you to run a search for specific terms within this result set. However, for this example, you are going to narrow by jurisdiction to U.S. federal. You now have a list of treatises dealing with the federal copyrights for costumes. The results are listed in order of relevance, and you can see that the first few documents are on point. Select the link for NIMR on Copyright, Chapter 2A, Effects of Functionality on Copyright's Subject Matter, to explore this document. Open the treatise titled Distinctive Issues Relating to Pictorial, Graphic, and Sculptural Works. By looking at the first section, you can see that this chapter explains how copyright legislation and case law applies to various works of art. To locate the section that specifically discusses costumes, you can use the navigation bar to quickly navigate the document. This treatise includes specific discussions on masquerade costumes, which is exactly what you are looking for. In its discussion of your specific topic, the treatise highlights key cases on the issue, in this case, National Theme Productions, Inc. v. Jerry B. Beck, Inc., and provides hyperlinked citations in the form of footnotes. Simply by clicking on the footnote number, the treatise will direct you to the key primary law, which is already hyperlinked. Before you go to the case, make sure to save this important treatise. This is step 3, saving your work. You can easily save this document by saving it to a folder or by printing, emailing, or downloading. Step 4 is using primary law. Now that you have found the principal case, make sure to read the case thoroughly. This includes starting with the case summary to get the most understanding in the least amount of time. To expand your research, you can use LexisNexis headnotes to quickly identify the main points of law. Only LexisNexis headnotes are taken exactly from the black letter law of the court's opinion. Also in the About This Document section, you can find topic summaries for multiple jurisdictions, which are an easy and efficient way to find a definition, seminal cases, elements, related statutes and rules, secondary sources, burden of proof, and standards of review on a specific topic. They provide the structural framework on certain topics which can easily be elaborated upon in your memo. As an aside, had your treatise led you to a key statute instead of a key case, you could have used LexisNexis case notes to identify significant cases addressing specific elements of the statute. You are now in your final step, Shepardizing to determine good law and to make sure your research is complete. Simply select Shepardize this document. Remember, Shepards is the standard of the legal industry and only available on Lexis. First, narrow your Shepards report by analysis to see if your law is still good. Don't forget, it is necessary to validate all of the authority you plan to cite in your open memo. To learn how to use Shepards to validate research, visit the Lexis for Law School's YouTube channel. Next, use Shepards to find more cases on point. Shepards gives you a list of every case that cites to a particular case or statute. By narrowing the Shepards report by court, depth of discussion, headnote, or by searching keywords or facts in the Search Within Results bar, you can easily find more cases to support specific legal propositions in your memo to ensure your research is complete. In conclusion, you can easily and efficiently conduct research for your open memo on Lexis Advance in 5 easy steps. 1. Simply run your search. 2. Go to treatises and use the treatise to understand the issue and find key primary law. 3. Save your work. 4. Read the key primary law. And 5. Shepardize to validate and expand. Lexis Advance allows you to conduct thorough research on a topic, so you can be confident that you have the complete picture and the strongest authority when you write your open memo. Click the button to receive credit for completing this activity.